Argonia spike, custody compliance. Form of essence, mantle pin, gold, stylized within a thread knot, confirm visual. Bearer title, custodian pro tem, confirm visual. Authorized investigation route, interstellar oxix for gallery, gate 9 to custody annex, confirmed, annex to council corridor, confirmed, beta, 7 for vector, 5 confirmed, return via interstellar oxix for gallery, confirmed. Return from coordinates vector, 5 to beta, 7 established, confirmed, 2 present, mantle pin present, confirmed, match 100%, uploading data. Repeat, 2 present, confirmed, no trace of third on return from vector, 5 entered in log registry indicated in system data, confirmed. Council Vestry Minister report, entered, mapping ion discharge from electric field, confirmed, result, evidence of dark trade contract present in interstellar oxix for gallery, confirmed. Evidence of resistance prior to return from coordinates vector, 5, confirmed. Established by micromesh surveillance system, confirmed. Consistent with High Council Elder disappearance, confirmed. Time/location, confirmed. High Council Elder identity, match, 99.9%. Uploading data, coordinates confirm presence and co-presence, simultaneous with synode window cycle at gate 12 and service egress, confirmed. Repeat, 3 escort by frame 14. To return, confirmed. Hibernex program identified, confirmed. Hibernex program activated, confirmed. Established by residual frequency mapping, confirmed. Hibernex program association established, confirmed. Method, pairing registry match, confirmed. Result, each YBNX, confirmed, match, 100%. Uploading data, each YBNX designation status, confirmed, results, prohibited status. Allegations of illegal use consistent with etheric essence level pull of vital life essence mining, includes wisdom siphoning, confirmed. Status, shelved permanently, confirmed. History of HYBNX, settlement, confirmed. Status of historical entry, confirmed. Location, Hall of Records, Argus Voluminis, confirmed. HYBNX violation, 2 mislabeled. Prohibited, data mining, confirmed. Evidence sufficient to establish preliminary requirements to open investigation, confirmed. Legal compliance satisfied, confirmed. Title, investigation file, evidence of dark trades, harvesting practices / potential link to High Council disappearances, confirmed. Status, approved. Evidence sufficient to establish entry-level submission status, confirmed. Violation level, highest intergalactic law code, AV ILC section 14, 154.36. Confirmed penalty level, severe, confirmed. Request confirmation of uploaded data entry status, complete, law marquees. Aliana, Pax, 17 Colony, Morionia Arlone Volaporcii. High Council Interplanetary Procurator, High Council Adjudicator, Jurisdiction, Pax. 17 Universalis AK Zerthan per se decretum Turk editum per et Argus Volumini Solis, Galactic Luz Antiquum Turk Infractio Violatio Specialista Meridian. Order highest level scribe, status, restaurare, identification, confirmed. Attestation and evidentiary material data entered, confirmed. System route and entry meridian fibers, confirmed. Investigation, case active, confirmed. Data processing complete, confirmed.